Yo, what's poppin', my goons? We back. Oh yeah, right back to that credit game for the goons. You know who, you know me. Spontaneous Productions Part 2 for the 2025. It's time to thrive. All my goons, we here, we arrived. Let's get it cracking, man. Hey yo, I got some crazy gems, crazy sauce, and a crazy method. It's gonna change your life today. Alright? Hey yo, do me one quick solid though before we get into it. Smash on the like, subscribe button right now. We about to blast off with this, you heard? Hey yo, a lot of goons need to get their credit right for 2025 because you can't go into the new year with bad credit. So what we're gonna do is credit sweep. You gotta clean your credit file, clean your credit profile. That's gonna put you in position to win. I know you made mistakes in the past. You might have bankruptcy, you might have charge-off, you might have late payments, okay? You might have student loan debts that went default. You might have charge-offs, collections. Man, bankruptcies, it don't matter. Late payments, it don't matter. It can all disappear. All that negative stuff can go. Repos, it don't matter. Straight like that. Once you know the sauce, once you got the tactics, it's gonna go bye-bye and be a thing of the past. So that's what you can do. A lot of people want to know how to do it, and I'm gonna show you how to do it step by step. Look, I did it before. Look, I had 100,000 in credit. I ran the credit up. I made a lot of plays. You know, I made a lot of money, but you know, sometimes the plays didn't go right. Sometimes I lost, you know, some money on a play and the credit got messed up and whatever. So I let the credit crash out. Now I've had a 400 credit score, so my 780 and 100,000 in credit cards, you know, that shit went to no credit cards and a 400 credit score, but I done built my shit back up and I got back to 700 credit scores again. So now it's time to get funded. And so it's time to get it right back. You can go broke, you can have your credit jacked up and go right back. I'm gonna show you going step by step how to do it. You need to credit sweep, alright? So you got to get rid of all the negative information. And there's a lot of people out here that charge crazy prices for credit repair. I was looking around like, dang, I got to find someone to do credit repair because I knew how to build credit, but I didn't quite know how to repair credit because I never had credit that needed repair. I just had to build it. So I learned how to build credit. And, you know, I showed you going step by step, video by video. So I appreciate you for tapping in and, you know, helping my channel grow and blow up with that. And I helped a lot of people, you know, so it's all good. You know, it's all love. So, yo, now we back with a new 2025 situation where I built the credit back up. So I had to learn how to do it. So I learned how to do it. I went into the lab. You know, I was quiet for a minute and I was just learning, soaking up game. And now I know the steps. You know, you got to clean your whole profile. Every credit bureau, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, once you go and get a clean credit profile, it don't take as long as you think. So I was looking for all these people to do credit repair and they was charging crazy high prices. They want $1,000, $2,000, $3,000. And, you know, they talking about 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, 6 months. I didn't heard it all. So I just learned for myself, man. And I figured out how to do it in 7 days. Straight like that. So if you want to learn how to clean your credit profile in 7 days, tap in with me. It's possible. I'm living proof. I had 58,000 in credit card debt, man. I done wiped off 58,000 credit card debt and got back to a clean file. All right. Now, sometimes every now and then, an item might pop back up. It's called resurfacing. Sometimes an item might resurface, but you know what you do? You just dispute it again and pow, you get it right off. So I'll show you how to do that. I'll show you step by step, every single thing. A lot of people want to charge you, you know, all this money, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 for credit repair. You know, like it's a big famous credit channel that's a plug and they charge people like $2,500 for credit repair. But like, yo, I give you that same sauce for $500. I got that sauce. So for $500, I will show you step by step walkthrough. I got step by step walkthrough PDF file. You can read along. And I have a video walkthrough, right? I'll walk you through it step by step on video. And so I show you every single thing you need to know. And I got the proof. I got the receipts. You see how I got all these deletions. You see it over and over. Just look at the video. Look at all the deletions. I got credit card deletions. You know, it don't matter how many different accounts you got. I got 30 accounts deleted because that's about like 10 accounts per bureau. All right, so that's like 30 accounts. You know, if you count it like that, each bureau has 10. You know. And so I done wiped that off, and I can show you how to do it. It's not as hard as you think, because you go into 2025 with good credit. Then what you can do is you can open up brand new LLCs. That's the next play. Then I'll show you how to do that too. If you want to learn that move, just watch my videos. I showed you how to open up a brand new company from nothing. I opened up a brand new LLC, and now it's credit ready. Okay. You open up a brand new LLC, you add trade lines, let those trade lines hit for a couple of months, give it 3, 4, 5, 6 months, and then pow, your personal credit and your business credit is both growing at the same time, and now you're credit ready for credit on personal and credit on business. And now when you got a clean credit profile on personal, you can do a PG, personal guarantee, on the business side and get business credit. But when you build the business credit just by itself, standalone, EIN only, with net 30 vendors, then you can get more business credit where you don't need a PG. So for some lenders, you're going to need a PG, and some you don't need a PG, personal guarantee. All right. So I show you how to do it like that. And when you have a high business credit score and a high personal credit score, you can mix them together, merge it together. So now you're going to get high credit line approvals. Now you're going to get that 100,000 credit approval, 200,000 credit approval, 300,000 credit approval. So that's the kind of sauce that, you know, I'm dropping for goons for 2025, because that's where my head is at. That's where my play is at. And then I set myself in position in 2024 so I could do this in 2025. So that's the move. Credit sweep. You got to clean your profile. You got to get rid of all that negative information. All that negative information will hold you back, and it'll follow you. It was from the past. It'll follow you into 2025. It don't matter how bad you messed up. It don't matter, my goon. You can get rid of it. Don't let nobody out here tell you that you got to, you know, pay off this debt and it's got to stay on your credit file for 7 years. You don't got to pay it off if you don't want to. You know, the credit grantor, they already wrote that off as a bad debt. That collections, they wrote it off already and sent it to collections. That charge off, okay? Charge off means the company charged it off. They wrote it off on the books. And they got a tax write-off for it, okay? So they got their money and they sent it to a collections agency, and now they trying to get their money off it. But you don't got to pay either one of them. You don't got to pay nobody for that debt. It's already written off, okay? So I'm just going to show you step by step to tap into my methods. It's only 500 for the sauce. I give you walk through step by step so you can get this stuff off in 7 days. You don't got to wait like 3 years or something like that for stuff to fall off your file. Nah, take control of your life now. That's the play now. You want to build wealth, like I'm giving you the sauce. You can build your credit profile up, and even if you mess up, it don't matter. We all messed up at some point in time in life, but it's not over for you. That's what I was thinking. Oh man, damn, I really messed up. I crashed out this credit. How am I gonna get $58,000 to pay back? And the company's sending me like, they're sending me settlement letters talking about like, oh, you crashed out a $15,000 credit card, but you know, we'll take, you know, $4,000 settlement. You're like, nah, you don't gotta do any of that. I didn't take any of that. All I did was just learn how to clean my credit profile, and now I got 700 credit profile all over again. And then you got to build it back. You got to add positive trade lines, and I'll show you what trade lines to add, because when you add trade lines, you want to get comparable credit. The banks use comparable credit, so you got high trade lines on your file. When it go time for you to apply for credit, you're gonna get approved for the high credit lines to match the trade lines you got. And I can show you how to get that done. Just follow my video. I give you crazy free sauce. If you haven't made life-changing gains with the videos I provided for you already for free on YouTube, you lacking. I don't know what to tell you, because I showed you the wave, I showed you the motion, and you can win off my old videos. They're still relevant. My content is evergreen. I got evergreen content. That means content that is not dated out. It's not old. It's not expired. I got a video I made 3 years ago is still official today. It still works today. That's the kind of sauce I give you, goons. I don't give you no fads, no shit that's just like a flash in the pan. I give you real sauce that you can really win with, all right? And so, you know, what you want to do is tap in with me. And I promise you, I will show you the way. 7-day credit sweep. And then on top of that, you can start charging people for credit repair. And you can start fixing other people's credit. So you can make a whole business out of this, all right? And then on top of that, I'll show you where you can get authorized your trade lines for cheap. And you can resell the trade lines and use them yourself. So there's a lot of different resources out here. I even got a plug for Age Corps if you want that. So just tap in with me, get your credit cleaned, all 3 credit bureaus, get you a brand new LLC, and we'll blast off. You can get a $200,000 in credit in a year, no problem. $300,000, $400,000, $500,000 to $1 million. It's whatever you want to do. It's as far as you want to take it, all right? Straight like that. So, yo, you ready to get it? You know what to do. Tap in for that method, you heard? Spontaneous Productions, Method Solutions, LLC.com. That's us, baby. Make sure you win. I got them methods and I got them solutions. Real methods, real solutions. Straight like that. So, yo, you found the value in this video? You know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, comment. We'll keep blasting off with the crazy powerful credit game for the goons. You know we're gonna get it cracking. It's 2025, man. So I had to give you goons, a fresh video, fresh goon game like we always do. You heard? Because I want to see all my goons prosperous. Everybody gonna win. Everybody gonna smack them credit bureaus up and get all that negative information deleted. And you're gonna add positive information and you'll get approved. I want to see all my goons drop a comment. Drop a comment if it's real. You're getting approved. One after another. Pow. Auto loan approved. And I'm working on something right now where I'm about to be the car plug. That's my next endeavor for 2025 too. So I can be the car plug, help goons get cars, Good credit, bad credit, no credit. It don't matter. We gonna make a way because I want to see all the goons win. So tap in with me. You need those methods. I got you. And do me one quick solid too before we go. Follow me on Instagram at Spontaneous Productions. Yo, till next time, my goons. Let's blast off. Let's win. Credit scores to the moon, baby. We out.